viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Emma, and here on my channel I make skincare products and provide free formulas every single week. So this week I'm making a dupe, if you will, of a very popular and limited edition product by the brand Fenty, which is Rihanna's skincare brand. The products are called Body Lavas and there are 3 colors. Today I'm going to try to get as close as I possibly can to 2 of them. This product is incredibly easy to make, so we're using Versagel as a base, which is also what's used in the original product. As you might know, Versagel is lip gloss base. Now, I know what you're thinking, lip glosses can be sticky and heavy and goopy, and nobody wants that all over their body, and I completely agree. But the thing is, Versagel actually consists almost entirely of hydrogenated polyisobutene, which is a lightweight emollient. When Versagel-based lip glosses are sticky, it's usually not because of the Versagel, it's usually because of the other ingredients, like castor oil. I've also included some Isododecane, which is also in the original product. Isododecane is a very lightweight and importantly, volatile emollient. I'm also using some Ethylhexyl Palmitate, which is one of my favorite esters. Other than the Versagel, the Isododecane, and Ethylhexyl Palmitate, this product just contains mica, cerussite mica, and silica, and that's it. To make this product as accessible and versatile as possible, I've provided a general structural formula as well as a specific formula with the specific ingredients that I used. This is actually a very versatile product. You can also use it as a liquid highlighter or a liquid eyeshadow if you're using eye safe micas. It can also be mixed into moisturizers or foundation to add a little bit of radiance to those products. Just a heads up, the filming angle is going to be a little bit awkward in this video because I'm using my overhead stirrer today. So let's get into it. So this is a single phase product and these are all of our ingredients. This beaker contains 40 grams of Versagel, and to that I'm adding 2 grams of TKB Pashmica. This is a combination of silica and cerussite mica. I really like this ingredient for products like this because the silica has a blurring and perfecting property, so it tends to blur imperfections, and the cerussite mica imparts a really beautiful glow on the skin. Next, I'm adding 5 grams of a shimmery bronze mica. This one is TKB Bronze. 5 grams of a shimmery copper colored mica. This one is TKB Umber. You'll notice I added my powders first. That's because the remaining ingredients will help wet those powders. Next, I'm adding 19 grams of Isododecane and 19 grams of Ethylhexyl Palmitate. So that's all of our ingredients. You'll notice I'm not even using an antioxidant, and that's because these emollients are not prone to oxidation. They have a lot of oxidative stability. So I'm using my overhead stirrer for this, and this is the awkward angle that I was talking about. You could totally do this by hand. It will just take a little bit of elbow grease. I don't really recommend using an immersion blender though, because high shear is just not necessary, and you'll likely end up introducing a lot of air bubbles into the formula. Follow me over the hills in the evergreen. Trade my soul for a chance to carry. So I stirred this for a couple of minutes using my overhead stirrer, and now it is time for packaging. I am using this 100 ml airless pump bottle. And here is the second shade that I made. So this one is meant to dupe the Who Needs Clothes shade in the Body Lava product line, and this one is meant to dupe the Cognac Candy shade. For this shade, I combined some Aphrodite from Yellow Bee, which is a champagne colored mica, with Golden Blush Baby from Yellow Bee, which is a rose gold-ish mica. There are a couple of other differences as well. So I was running low on Isododecane, so I supplemented with Cyclomethicone, which is also another volatile emollient. And instead of Ethylhexyl palmitate, I used cetearyl isononoate, just because I have a ton of both and I'm trying to use them both up. So just to show you guys what this looks like, here's the coppery shade. Here's how it looks concentrated, and here's how it looks rubbed into the skin. Obviously, this is too dark for me. I actually made this for my friend who is a huge fan of the Cognac Candy Body Lava, and she has a deeper skin tone than I do. And here's the Champagne Rose Goldish shade. I think it looks very beautiful on the skin. I could totally see myself using this, especially mixed into a body cream or as a highlighter or eyeshadow. The other interesting thing about these products is that they are very long lasting on the skin. I wouldn't say like waterproof or anything like that, but I would say smudge proof and definitely long lasting. I think that's because of the Isododecane, which is used a lot in liquid lipsticks and long wear eyeshadows and other long wear makeup.
Got them path laid out in front of me. Sharp knife, headstrong, no time to think. I'm a huntress. I don't know why.
If you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you found the video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I will be posting videos weekly going forward. I'm also thinking about starting a Discord channel. So if that is something that interests you, please let me know. In my head, it's somewhere where we can kind of communicate throughout the week. You guys can post what you're working on. You can ask questions. And I think it could be like a really nice community. Thank you so much.